Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on record system sound in Realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here. See different type of app icon shown in your mobile phone like that. So firstly you have to move up in this way and see there was many more different app icons shown in your mobile phone like that. You have to firstly click on the setting icon. You have to see here, so click on that. Now you have to see here this type of many more option in your mobile phone, and there was many more different icon plays different function on your mobile phone. You have to see here. So if you want to on record system sound in your mobile phone while screen recording, so you have to click on the additional setting option. Then you have to see many more options. Click on the screen recording option, screen recording. After clicking on here, you have to see record system sound is already on in your mobile phone. If you want to off this, so click on here. So it means that uh, it doesn't record that sound while screen recording which is produced inside the mobile phone. So if you want to on this, so click on here. So it means that now it record that sound while screen recording which is produced inside the mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you to on record system sound in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you. And if you want any other information, so please comment us.